जीत के जरिए हल किया जाए। क्या इसको फाइनल जजमेंट करार दिया जा सकता है या ये अभी एक ब्रीफ जजमेंट है जो हाईकोर्ट के जानिब से आया है? ताहम इस हवाले से हम बात करेंगे अपने ब्यूरो चीफ से जो इस वक्त दिल्ली में मौजूद है। जी, इस वक्त सीनियर वकील रविशंकर प्रसाद इस पर मीडिया से दोबारा बातचीत कर रहे हैं।
ये उन्होंने स्पष्ट कहा है कि बाबरी मस्जिद के बारे में भी उन्होंने विपरीत फैसला दिया है।
तो सर, जब आप ये कहते हैं, when you say that all the three judges in different tones have said that the petition which was moved by you that it is indeed the birthplace of Ram Lalla, does this imply that the title suit which was filed by the Sunni Waqf Board gets dismissed?
You are right, but I must explain. Justice Sudhir Agrawal and Justice D.V. Sharma told it clearly. Justice Khan, instead of holding it clearly, said that when the partition in three would be done, it would ensure that where Ram Lalla is Virajman on the dome, the same shall go to the Hindus.
Who will be responsible for adhering to this partition, sir?
As far as
The entire land is with the center right
no, now the position is, इसके बारे में उन्होंने कहा है कि आप कोर्ट में आवेदन देंगे, भारत सरकार को भी देंगे, रजिस्ट्रार को देंगे, वो डिटेल्स की बात है 3 महीने के अंदर करना है, तब तक स्टेटस को है। लेकिन भूपेंद्र, one thing I would like to say today, and to you, it is an appeal to our Muslim brothers of India. They never doubted the sacred character of Ayodhya. They never doubted that Ram was born there. What they say, he was not born at the place which we claim he was born. Today, when a majority judgment has said that where Ram Lalla is Virajman is indeed the deity which they believe where he was born, I would appeal to them in all humility, please accept this verdict. You have got the right to go and appeal. But if you accept it, and if you allow the construction of a Ram Janmasthan Mandir there, it will lead to new amity, new brotherhood, and a resurgent India. This appeal I am making not as a General Secretary of the BJP, or a chief spokesperson, or a senior counsellor in this case. This appeal I am making as an Indian for a future safe and amiable India.
Ravi Shankar ji,